Diana, Prince of Wales, was a member of British royal family. Diana was a British princess and philanthropist who had a net worth of 40 million US dollar at the time of her death. She was the first wife of Charles, Prince of Wales, and heir apparent to the British throne, and the mother of Prince William and Prince Harry. She was born on 1st July 1961 at Park House, Norfolk. She was the fourth of five children. The Spencer family had been closely allied with the British royal family for the several generations. She grew up with three siblings, Sarah, Jane, and Charles. Diana was 7 years old when her parents divorced. Her mother later began a relationship with Peter and married him in 1969. She was a leader of fashion in 1980s and 1990s. She married Charles. Charles, Prince of Wales, is the eldest child and heir apparent of Queen Elizabeth II. Charles, known alternatively in Cornwall as a Duke of Cornwall and in Scotland as a Duke of Rothesay. Parker Bowles and Princess Diana. Sister Sarah Spencer. Lady Elizabeth Sarah is the eldest daughter of John Spencer. Granddaughter Princess Charlotte of Cambridge. Brother Earl Spencer. Niece Kitty Spencer and sister. Nephew Louis Spencer. Diana's parents. Her spouse and son. Her grandmother Ruth Roche. Son named Prince William and Prince Harry. Diana with son Prince Harry. Niece Lady Kitty Spencer. Lady Amelia Spencer, Charles Spencer's daughter. Kitty Spencer and boyfriend. Family. Son and grandson. Prince George. Sister Jane Fellows. Diana lived with her mother in London during her parents' separation in 1967. She was initially homeschooled under the supervision of her governess. Lady Diana first met Charles, Prince of Wales, the Queen's elder son and heir apparent, when she was 16 in November 1977. She was guest at the country weekend during the summer of 1980 when she watched Charles play polo and he took a serious interest in Diana as a potential bride. The prince proposed on 6 February 1981 and Lady Diana accepted, but their engagement was kept secret for the next few weeks. "20-year-old Diana became Princess of Wales when she married the Prince of Wales on 29 July 1981. She dated the British Pakistani heart surgeon Hasnat Khan, who was called the love of her life by many of her closest friends. After her 1996 divorce, she retained the double apartment on the north side of Kensington Palace that she had shared with the Prince of Wales since the first year of their marriage. She continued to have access to the jewelry that she had received during her marriage and was allowed to use the air transport of British royal family and government. Diana began a relationship with Dodi Fayed, the son of her summer host Muhammad Al Fayed. On 31st August 1997, she died in the car crash in the Pont de Tunnel in Paris. Her bodyguard, Trevor Jones, survived the crash. The televised funeral on 6th September was watched by British television audience that peaked at 32.10 million, which was one of the UK's highest viewing figures ever. Both of Diana's grandmothers had served as a lady in waiting to Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. She first met Charles when she was 16. He was dating her old sister, Lady Sarah. 5 years into the marriage, the couple's incompatibility and age difference of almost 13 years became visible and damaging. From the mid 1980s, she became increasingly associated with numerous charities